Welcome to the Doug and Nikki Outdoor Test Studio, which could not be a more perfect place for this. The Bug Assault 3.0. I asked Nikki if I could get the 1.0. I asked for the 2.0. Finally, Santa has brought me the 3.0, and we are going to unbox it, set it up, and shoot some stuff today. Let's start by unboxing it. We'll set it up and we'll take it out in the wild and shoot some stuff. Hey, so while I open this up, I wanted to remind you that after this video is over, I'm going to come back to you with a Doug score of 1 to 5 and let you know how much I like or dislike this product. Very simple in terms of operation. This is where the salt goes. You pump it up, release the safety, and bam! You waste that bug. Let me go put some salt in it. I'll set up a target and let's see how it works. Here's the mission that I've accepted. I need to kill these spiders with the Bug Assault. Let's give it a shot. Oh, oh, this is so cool. Let's try over here. You can see. So obviously you're supposed to be shooting at little bugs and stuff like this. This full-size piece of paper is being moved by the force of the salt hitting it. That is a crazy assault. A crazy assault. A crazy assault. Let's go after it again. Ow. Okay, let's try a couple different angles. Okay, soldiers, that ends this bug assault with an absolute victory. That is a phenomenal 5 out of 5 score. I don't need these anymore for this. Go get this. I never had the 1 or 2, so I don't know if it's better than them, but this is the best thing in the world. I cannot wait to go battle the bugs. I might actually, don't tell Nikki, but I might actually leave the door open to get a couple extra bugs in the house. But I'm going to go do some battles.